और तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा ताहिर हुसैन अंद्राबी ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान TTP और BLA के साथ मुज़ाकरात नहीं करेगा। TTP और BLA पाकिस्तान के दुश्मन हैं। अफगान तालिबान रजीम के साथ मुज़ाकरात 7 नवंबर को इस्तांबुल में मुकम्मल हुए। अफगान तालिबान की हुकूमत में आने के बाद पाकिस्तान के अंदर दहशतगर्दी में इजाफा हुआ।
The TTP, Fitna al-Khawarij and BLA and Fitna al-Hind are declared enemies of the state of Pakistan and its people. Anyone harboring, abetting or financing them is not considered a friend and a well-wisher of Pakistan and its people. Pakistan has never eschewed dialogue with any government in Kabul. However, Pakistan would not hold dialogue with any terrorist groups, be it TTP or BLA. Third round of talks with Afghanistan, with Afghan Taliban regime concluded in Istanbul on 7th November 2025. For the past 4 years, since the Taliban regime came to power in Afghanistan, there has been sharp surge in terrorist attacks emanating from Afghan soil on Pakistan. Throughout these years, Pakistan, despite suffering military and civilian casualties, exercised maximum restraint and did not escalate. Pakistan's expectation was that with the passage of time, Taliban regime would be able to control these attacks and take concrete actions against TTP and Fitna al-Khawarij elements present on the Afghan soil.